Hello everyone, and welcome to this fifth Learn-chinese.online video. In this video, we will study the last 5 Chinese characters of Lesson 1. Let's begin with ta, he, him. This character has 2 components. On the left, the component for humans, and on the right, the component for the vase, or the snake. Why 2 meanings for one component? Well, at the beginning, those 2 components were very similar, but the component for snake has a quite different writing now. The real reason is that this character is a variant of a phonosemantic compound character. This one was composed of the human component for the meaning and the snake for the phonetic. Here is the cause of the confusion. Now, let's study the writing. You should know how to do this exercise. Look at the animation, then pause the video and try to write this Chinese character on a blank sheet of paper just for fun. Now I give you the stroke order and you can do the exercise on writing grids as shown in the previous video. Let's do a little exercise. Please pause the video, do the sentences in Chinese characters, and start the video again to see the correction. Okay, now the correction. He's fine. 他很好. Remember to add the 很 to remove the comparison. He's not fine. 他不好. And him? 他呢? If you remember the previous videos, it shouldn't be too difficult. Repeat after me. 他很好. 他不好. 他呢? Now the character 在 again. This Chinese character cannot be used alone. The original meaning of 在 was 2 fishes. Then it was extended to express the meaning twice and again. Writing this character is not that hard, but you must pay attention to details. The vertical line doesn't cut the top or the bottom. And here is the stroke order. Now the Chinese character Jiàn, to see. Originally, this Chinese character represented a man with a big eye, easy to understand. Note that Jiàn is simplified. You can see the traditional writing at the bottom of the slide. I will teach the traditional writing of the Chinese characters of Lesson 1 in the next video. And now the writing. And the stroke order to let you do the exercise on the writing grids. Now, we can write the word goodbye. Please pause the video, write the word in Chinese character and start the video again. So the correction, goodbye, 再见, which can also be understood as see you again. And the last Chinese character of the lesson 1, 谢, thanks. This was a pictogram of 2 hands giving something. You must know that it is polite to give things with 2 hands in China. This is an important fact to remember. It is a simplified Chinese character. At the bottom, you can see the traditional writing. The Chinese character for xie had 3 components. On the left is the simplified version of the speech. Here is the traditional Chinese character. It represented the tongue coming out the mouth. The middle component was a pregnant woman. It now means the body. And on the right is the component for the thumb. Writing this character is not easy. Remember to write it in a square. You write the three components from the left to the right. And here is the stroke order to let you do the exercise on writing grids. Now you can write the word thanks. If you find it too difficult to write, don't worry. It is much more important to know that word verbally. We don't write it so often. 谢谢. And now the final exercise. Same as before, pause the video, write the sentences in Chinese characters, and start the video again. Let's see the correction. Hello. 你好. Are you fine? 你好吗? I'm fine, thanks. And him? 我很好，谢谢。他呢? He's not fine. 他不好。Goodbye. 再见. Pay attention to the punctuation marks. The point is a small circle. The other marks are similar to English punctuation. Repeat after me one more time. 你好。你好吗？我很好，谢谢。他呢？他不好。再见。This video is now over. Thank you for watching it to the end. Remember to like, comment and share. In the next video, we will see the 3 traditional Chinese characters of the lesson 1. See you there.